Girlie playing again. This game again. Ay, ay, ay. He almost get me. Oh no, the cockroach. He gonna chase. No, 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 no. Okay, guys. He's the biggest of them all. Oh no. Oh no. Wait a minute, guys. Yeah. So we were gonna find the biggest one, and we will be the biggest one. I mean, not the smallest one. No, I hate that. Oh no no no, Teddy! No no no. There, I'm gonna. Ew! So gross. We are. Let's get them. Let's eat first. And I'm gonna eat more. And more. So we're gonna get this. And this. No, the giant. No. That. Ugh, yeah, boy. No, you. Rar. Why your name is Rar? You just need to be Ray Ray. No! I hate this eye. I'm getting focus.
Extreme temperatures.
No, we will not watch that. You're in my intro. Guys, I want a cookie skin. Habil. Habil. Hibil. No. Nope, 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 nope. You're gonna never catch me. You were never gonna catch me, mustache boy. Okay. Oh, please, please, no. No, 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 please, please, please. This, I'm gonna just eat this first. He's too big, I need to run. That snake is too big. Oh no, you're never gonna go to you. I'm gonna eat first, and I'm gonna. Wait. Guys, wait a minute, guys. I'm gonna pee first.
Shell uses a revolutionary approach to developing synthetic motor oil. Shell Helix Ultra is made from natural gas that delivers long-lasting engine performance. With extreme temperatures, the molecular bonds in Shell Helix Ultra remain stronger and more resistant than those of inferior oils. This means Shell Helix Ultra can provide your engine with superior protection against extreme temperature, providing you with long-lasting engine performance, allowing you to get on with your day.
Get more than just an oil change. Visit our experts at your nearest Shell Helix Oil Change Plus, or ask for Helix in your favorite car shop or auto supply. Experience an amazing drive. Always choose Shell Helix Ultra with Pure Plus technology for your car.
Guys, sorry. So we're gonna play. Play now? If you can. I'm gonna stop. Good. Let me calm down first. Play. Let's play. No, not 30. Easy. No. They know this. Me, the great papyrus. You know, the great papyrus. He's the stretchy po. Me, like a red papyrus, will win him.
Whatever you use your car for, it's essential you choose oil that is designed to provide
Well,
long-lasting engine performance.
he
Your
said
engine can become
engine.
very hot when driving, so you
Well,
need oil that can perform in extreme temperatures. Some oils
He's weird.
degrade in high heat, reducing their ability to protect the engine.
Okay,
This could
it is too boring. Me, like a red papyrus, will win. And if not, I will not win. I'll just revenge. No!
Sa mga papel na mo, iyan na mo.
Let's play, guys. Let's run away. Run away. Run away. X. Wajib. So we're gonna win because there's too many balls. I can't win because it is too many balls. Ball. So we're gonna get this. No. Do not leave. The planet is very small. And I will win. If I not. No, king. Do not get me, king. King Koi. King. Don't catch me, pinky girl. Oh, no. Angel of darkness. The wind is in your head. And I'm gonna get you. You are smallest. I am the biggest. The wind is... I'm gonna get you. No. How did I go get you? Wajak. Give me a bull. I'm gonna get you. Come. Never gonna come to me. I'm gonna run and go to the left side. No, I never do that. No, I will never survive. No, let's eat first. I'm gonna eat first. There, eat first. And go back and eat again, eat and eat and eat some there, and I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat that. No, dude. No. No, please. I hate this now. I'm going to win that last round. Why? We don't need. Yes. The biggest one. I'm gonna eat first, Manny. No, and eat this. No, and get him. No, and go this and eat that and go away. Please leave me alone. And I'm gonna eat. No, leave me alone, Mad Santa Claus. No, leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm gonna get this. There, I'm gonna get it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Very delicious. Very delicious. Very delicious. No! Let's go to the shop. And shop again.